Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the DAR Education Project video tutorial series of the Android programming. Today we will discuss how to create a radio button application. So let's start to make application and create a new Android project. And we are creating a quiz program in which we will use Android radio buttons here. So just go for that and click next and finish it. We will create a graphical user interface for our application, and for this thing I am creating wrap content to match parent. Okay, match underscore parent, and here I will change the text hello world to the the data was the education quiz. Okay, now we will make some id and heading here, and now I'm creating a new text view and match parent wrap content and Android ID question and Android layout below heading and Android text HTML which language is used in the Android programming for interface building, something like this. Now we will see. Make it in Android, I thought. Now create text appearance Android large, text appearance large, gravity make it center. Okay, so this is the current layout of a program. Make some space with using margin top layout, margin top, make it 30 dp so it will look nicer. Okay, now we will use a new tool, and you can see that in the design view that in the containers there is a radio group. So first of all we will choose radio group and then insert the radio button here, radio group and wrap content, and use wrap content and use the Android ID answer group here. Now we will insert all other in this Android layout below and use the question here. Now we will insert the radio button and use wrap content and use Android text, for example HTML, Android layer, Android ID answer 1. Okay, now you can see and watch this is the outlook. We will create 3 other buttons here. Just copy and paste and change the answer 1 to answer 1, HTML, XML, PHP, and the last one is UML. So this will be the interface created by our program, and now I am creating a new text view to display the answer. Wrap content, and Android layout below, ID answer group, Android ID result, try to use intelligence result, and Android text your answer. Use Android layout margin top and use I think 50 dp, so it will look nicer. The result is here. If you want to change the answer something like this, text color, then you can use it. F00pt. This will create the color of your answer. After that, we will first of all go to the main activity and create a text view instance like this, text view, and answer text. And after that, I am creating the instance of that answer text, creating the casting text view, find view by ID, find view by r.id dot answer. This will be the result. And now I am creating the instances of the radio button. One more thing, we will use on click method in all these on click method and question result method. I will create on click method here and place it in all kind of radio buttons here. Okay, now first of all I will create a method in main activity, and then I will use this instances public void view and view. Since this class is not imported, click alt enter, and then the class was imported in the program. So first of all, we will create a variable like boolean in which we can only store value. One value is there, true or false, radio checked. I will take the variable name and use radio button, and this will give the instance of the radio button. Now I will check and see whether it is checked or not. So view dot is checked. Radio checked. Now we will go for a switch statement and view dot get ID. This will get the ID of our program, and now we will work on the case studies. R dot ID dot answer 1, and here I want to display the answer in the answer text answer text dot set text. Since the first answer is not right, so I will write there, sorry, your answer is incorrect. Okay, I will use a break statement here, and if I will copy and just use 4 instances for answer 2, and this answer is right, so great, your answer is correct. You can write it. Great, your answer is correct. In the answer 3, answer 4. Okay, now I will run this program in the Gradle. Okay, Nexus, and wait for the programs. Okay, now we will go for that and check that answer, what is the answer. So the application is running successfully. But if we want that if a user will click on the button, and then all the other buttons will be disabled, so for this thing we will create the instances of radio button and click radio 1, radio 2, radio 3 and radio 4 here, and I am creating the instances of all these buttons. Radio 1 is equal to radio button find view by id r.id.answer 1, and now we will create the instances of the 4 radio buttons 2, 3 and 4, and here I will use answer 2, 3 and 4. Now what will be the next? I will create the math, whether the answer is correct or not. Radio 1 dot set enable will be false. Similarly, we will use radio 2 dot, it will depend upon your requirement by which what you want. Radio 3 to set enabled, make it false. Radio 4 dot set enabled, false. So go for that and check it out. If the answer if you choose a wrong answer, then it will automatically disable the program, and now we will take this option only on the first answer. So Gradle is building. Okay, if I will click on the HTML, then you can see all the other are automatically become disabled. So thank you very much for watching our tutorial. Allah Hafiz.